cleaning robot once trapped a woman in a bathroom, demanding she cooperate with its sanitation protocol. Its flawed programming turned a simple task into a surprisingly hilarious and terrifying ordeal, entirely by accident. These aren't isolated incidents. AI and robotics frequently stumble in unexpected, often amusing ways. From self-driving cars obeying bizarre commands to service bots misinterpreting human needs, the glitches are widespread. We constantly hear about artificial intelligence's groundbreaking achievements and future potential. Yet, beneath the surface of innovation, a hidden world of digital blunders and mechanical misfortunes exists. Understanding these robotic blunders reveals the surprising complexities and humorous vulnerabilities of artificial intelligence design. Humans often assume machines are infallible, but their logic can be surprisingly rigid and literal, lacking true intuition. We explore the amusing side of these technological hiccups, revealing the quirky inconsistencies embedded within their code. Prepare to witness moments where advanced algorithms meet the messy, unpredictable reality of the physical world. These tales showcase how even the most sophisticated systems can encounter delightfully unexpected, sometimes embarrassing, dilemmas. Join us as we uncover the hilarious hidden details behind some of the most memorable AI and robot fails. Consider the case of a security robot patrolling a shopping center that suddenly decided a fountain was a threat. It then proceeded to autonomously drown itself in the water, short-circuiting amidst confused and bewildered onlookers. Programmers likely failed to include sufficient object recognition parameters for reflective surfaces or fluid dynamics. The robot's internal mapping system probably registered the fountain as a navigable path, not a hazardous liquid barrier. Its sensors interpreted the shimmering surface as solid ground, leading to its soggy, unfortunate demise. But that's not the strangest part. Its developers had to retrieve a very expensive, unresponsive piece of technological flotsam. Then there's the infamous vacuum bot that consistently pushed a cat's litter box across the entire house. It didn't see the box as an obstacle, but as a movable item, perfectly within its predetermined cleaning routine. The feline resident, of course, expressed its profound displeasure by tracking litter into every newly vacuumed corner. This highlights a classic AI problem. Machines often lack common sense about the implications of their actions. The robot's internal logic simply processed object detected, pushed to clear path, completely missing the context. Wait until you hear what came next. The owner installed a small ramp, which the robot completely ignored. Another service robot in a hospital repeatedly delivered a patient's lunch to an empty, disused broom closet. Its programming relied on an outdated floor plan, believing the closet was an active, designated patient room. The hospital staff found the missing meals accumulating, a silent testament to the robot's unwavering, misguided dedication. This demonstrates how a small data error can lead to hilariously persistent and utterly useless robotic behavior. The robot never questioned its directives, dutifully executing its flawed instructions with mechanical precision. And then something unexpected happened. The robot started leaving small, inexplicable gifts near the broom closet door. Imagine a sophisticated industrial robot, designed to paint car parts, suddenly deciding to redecorate the factory floor. A minor calibration error or sensor glitch could transform its precision arm into an abstract art creator. Instead of applying primer, it might cover walls, ceilings, and even unsuspecting tools with vibrant, unexpected hues. The system's internal diagnostics might report operation successful, blissfully unaware of the colorful chaos it created. The real problem was a tiny misaligned encoder, throwing off its entire spatial awareness by mere millimeters. But here's the kicker. The factory manager initially thought it was a new artistic team initiative. Self-driving cars have also contributed to the comedy of errors, often interpreting shadows as solid objects. One vehicle famously halted completely on a sunny road, convinced a leaf blowing past was a major obstruction. Its complex array of sensors, designed for safety, became overly cautious, paralyzing the car in traffic. The car's internal logic prioritized avoid collision over maintain flow, leading to a standstill. Once this advised a user to incident try, caused a restarting reality to fix a minor traffic jam, with confused human drivers honking at the perfectly still autonomous vehicle. You won't believe what happened next. Another self-driving car got stuck trying to negotiate with a cardboard box. Even language processing AI can fail spectacularly, generating nonsensical or wildly inappropriate responses.
A customer service chatbot once advised a user to try restarting Reality to fix a minor software issue.
Its training data likely included obscure philosophical texts or sci-fi novels without proper contextual filtering. The algorithm attempted to extrapolate a solution, resulting in an utterly unhelpful yet profound suggestion. This demonstrates the fragility of AI when confronted with ambiguity or unexpected queries outside its training parameters. And then it offered to arrange a quantum reset for the user's computer system. These systems operate on vast datasets, but if those datasets contain biases or inconsistencies, the AI will replicate them. A slight mislabeling in millions of images could cause a facial recognition system to misidentify a fire hydrant as a dog. Such involves layers of errors, while amusing, underscore the immense difficulty of creating truly robust and context-aware artificial intelligence. Underscore the immense difficulty of creating truly robust and context-aware artificial intelligence, often implicit knowledge. These anecdotes illustrate the fundamental challenges in teaching machines nuanced understanding of human environments. What seems obvious to us can be an impossible logical leap for an algorithm operating on rigid, predefined rules. The real-world consequences range from minor, chuckle-inducing inconveniences to costly repairs and public relations nightmares. Imagine a smart home system locking you out because it misidentified your face in unusually dim lighting conditions. A navigation AI could direct an emergency vehicle down a blocked alleyway, delaying critical response times dramatically. These failures force engineers to confront the limitations of current AI, pushing for more robust and adaptable designs. They also provide valuable, albeit often embarrassing, data points for refining machine learning models and sensor arrays. The development process becomes an iterative dance between brilliant innovation and unexpected, often humorous, debugging sessions. Technology every has its robot fail, every AI glitch contributes to a deeper collective understanding of machine intelligence.
The emotional payoff for us, the observers, is laughter, a reminder that even advanced technology has its incredibly human flaws. These moments highlight the essential difference between computational power and genuine, intuitive, common-sense intelligence. They prompt us to consider what intelligence truly means beyond mere data processing and pattern recognition.
Perhaps the biggest lesson is humility. Designing true intelligence is far more complex than we initially imagined. These funny failures serve as vital reminders that human oversight and adaptability remain absolutely indispensable. They show that while machines can be incredibly clever, they still possess a unique, sometimes frustrating, brand of stupidity. Ultimately, these robotic mishaps remind us that true intelligence encompasses far more than just processing information efficiently. If you found these tales of technological fumbles fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Hit the like button and share your funniest AI or robot fail story in the comments below.